Here I have SOYES S10 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to change your language. I'll stay with English, then tap next. Next you can insert your SIM card, but if you don't have one on you, you can just skip the step for now and insert SIM card anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip the step and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Next you can set up your date, enter your name, tap next. Next you can set up a screen lock for your device. You can set up fingerprint, you can set up PIN, password or pattern, or you can just skip this step for now and set up screen lock anytime later. Then you have Google services. If you want, you can leave them. If you don't want them, you have chance to disable them right now. But in any case, you will have to agree with Google's terms of service. And that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.